The Indian Chamber of Commerce (ICC) organized the India-UAE Business Forum in Abu Dhabi and Dubai, aimed at enhancing bilateral trade relations between India and the UAE. This significant event provided a platform for business leaders and government officials from both nations to network and exchange ideas, focusing on business opportunities and regulatory affairs related to investing and trading. The inaugural session in Abu Dhabi was honored by the presence of His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan Mubarak Al Nahyan, the UAE Minister of Tolerance and Coexistence, alongside His Excellency Sanjay Sudhir, the Ambassador of India to the UAE. They were joined by distinguished Indian dignitaries, including Mr. R. Venkatramani, the Attorney General of India, and Mr. Tushar Mehta, the Solicitor General of India. The speakers emphasized the strengthening ties between the UAE and Indian governments and industries, highlighting the importance of bridging cultural differences to facilitate ease of doing business. In Dubai, the conference featured over 40 speakers from India and the MENA region, participating in 7 panel discussions that delved into regulatory affairs in both countries. Key topics included the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement (CEPA) and its relevance, regulations surrounding mergers and acquisitions, arbitration, and advancements in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. The events were organized in collaboration with the Indian Business and Professional Group Abu Dhabi and partnered with several organizations, including Green Day Motors DMCC, MZM Legal, J. Sagar and Associates, Fox and Mandal, Singularity Legal, Osborne Partners, GIPF, and IAMC Hyderabad. This forum not only aimed to address the regulatory, legal, and compliance challenges faced by businesses but also sought to explore emerging opportunities in various sectors, including real estate investments, with a particular focus on Dubai as a preferred investment destination. The ICC India-UAE Business Forum serves as a vital conduit for fostering economic growth and collaboration, ensuring that participants gain valuable insights into the regulatory frameworks and compliance challenges that businesses encounter in both nations.